Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back and strike1 channel. Today I show that how can we fix up your copyright strike through violations. So let's get started. Look here, it's my another channel, and look, channel violations, active copyright strikes. There's one video which I uploaded. This is the copyright claim and automatic deleted in my channels. Look, important notice: video removed from YouTube. We complained with legal copyright take down complaint for your video. 10 February I uploaded that, and here is the violations message. So how can I fix up it? But it's no very important problem for your channel, just a simple issue. You just write and read copyright policy and fix up easily. Let's get started. Active copyright strike. When you press here, you look the page one copyright strike. What you can do? This is the solutions for you. And now strike on 10th February 2023 expires in 19 days. That's mean content removed by Mahmoud Nafiz Mahmoud is this man who is this expire on 19 days. So if you want to, this is the actions, you click here and contact climate, submit and counter notifications. If you thought that this is the not valuable strike through, you select on submit a counter notification, you hit her. If you think that no, it is illegal, so you contact climates. This is the two options, and you strike to remove automatically expire date in 19 days. This is the waiting for time. Use time, then when this date is expired, you just simple automatic remove copyright claim actions. So this is the not big issue for your channel, but it is the more big issues for expire date in 19 days, 3 months waiting for. Okay, so upcoming new YouTuber, almost notifications and this problem fix up easily. Don't worry for this issue, it is not hamper for you too much. Okay, and if you want to actions, you click on and contact the climate. I select on contact the climate, copy address, and then just you go your Gmail box and type here this message which is from and taken the copyright strike through. It is apply for you, and if she want to delete your copyright strike through, it is simple issue and fix up it easily. I hope that this informative video for yourself. Stay connected with the strike1 channel. Thank you for watching this video.